Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about journal ideas and prompts. Those who are thinking how to start, how to write a journal, hope you will get ideas from this. So let's jump onto the video. Whatever in your head, it can be positive, negative, or stupid, any thoughts, you just dump into a paper. You don't filter it, you just stay true to yourself and write it in a paper. Don't question yourself or don't doubt yourself. So, whatever you are feeling, write in a paper. Like this way, you clear your mind and organize your thoughts and you understand what is going on in your mind. And this gives you mental clarity. If you want separate video on this topic, please comment down below. You need to write about those things which gives you happiness. Maybe you like nature or cooking or singing in the shower, whatever. So basically when you are sad, you are supposed to see those lists and this will help you to boost your mood. If you are reading a book or watching movies or listening songs or podcast, you write your favorite quotes. Gratitude journal is you write about 5 or 10 things you are grateful for and you have to write it every day. I already made a video on this, so please check that video. I will give the link in the I button. Here you write about your whole day, what you did, everything in detail. Like in morning you woke up at 5 o'clock, then you had a cup of tea, then you went for office and what happened in whole day, etc. What you want in future or how you want your life to be in future, you write it in present tense. Like you want to buy a car, so you write, I'm so happy and grateful that finally I have bought my dream car today and my parents are so happy. It can be anything, whatever you want in future, you write it in present tense. I categorized goals journal in 3 types: short term, mid term, and long term. Short term is what are the things you want to accomplish per month. Mid term is every year what you want to achieve. Like maybe this year you want to read 20 books, or maybe you want to reduce 10 kg, or maybe you want to travel a country. Long term goal is like in 5 or in 10 years what you want to achieve. Like maybe you want to buy a house, or maybe you want to publish a book, or maybe start a business, etc. I already made a video on this also, so you can check in the I button. Work journal is related to your profession, where you write about your growth or lack which you need to improve, or maybe you need to do few things once you go to office, etc. When you want to improve every aspects of your life, you write those lacks and their solutions. Here you should focus on how, like how you can achieve your targets or how you will solve those problems, etc. Habit tracker journal is where you track your habits every day for your better life. Like I track my skincare routine, drinking 3 liters of water, 30 minutes walk, etc. Like this way you can stay consistent and you can achieve your targets. I hope you all like this video and got some idea, and main thing is that 400 people subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really want to know your names. I really want to know you people, so please comment down below with your question or suggestion or anything. I will be really happy to answer all your questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for your love. I will see you people in my next video. Till then, bye.